we're dividing in the ratio 1 to 7. So the first thing we need to do is work out the total number of parts. So the total number of parts here that we're going to split our 32 into is 1 plus 7, which is 8. So each part now is going to be 32 divided by 8, in other words 4. Now we're asked for the number of right-handed students, which corresponds to the 7. The number of right-handed students then is going to be 7 times 4, which is 28. So there are 28 right-handed students. Okay, a scale model of 1 to 32 means that your little model lorry, let's pretend this is our lorry, if this is the model, it means that the model, to make it into the real live lorry, if you like, the real lorry is 32 times longer, wider, taller than the model lorry. So Sajid has made a lorry, and the length of his model lorry is 45 centimetres. I find this easy to understand if I think about what the length of the real lorry would be. Well, the real lorry is just going to be 45 times 32, in other words, 1,440 centimetres long. So the real lorry is 1,440 centimetres long. So along comes someone else and decides that they're going to make a model in the scale 1 to 72. So if we're going to go back from the real lorry to this model, which is actually going to be even smaller, because this time, if we're going back in this direction, we're going to divide lengths on the real lorry by 72. So this little model lorry, the length of it is actually just going to be 1,440 centimetres, which is the length of the real lorry, divided by 72, which comes out as 20 centimetres. So the length of this model lorry is just 20 centimetres. And that's our answer.